Now we've surpassed the first quarter of 2022, I thought it'd be interesting to look back and see which companies that feature within the S&P 500 have been the best performing so far this year. There is a theme to these companies, and if you pick up on it before the end of the video, please make sure you drop a comment below. I'm going to be talking about the 5 best performing stocks. I'm going to start with number 5, but stick around for number 1 because it's quite crazy how much this stock has gone up since the beginning of the year. In at number 5 on this list is a company called APA. They operate as an oil and gas company, and they are a dividend paying stock that pay their dividends quarterly to their investors. This of course means 4 dividend payments a year, and they've actually been a dividend paying stock since 1965. So they've got a history with this. At time of filming this video, APA costs $43.68 per share. And it's weighting in the S&P 500, so what percentage this company takes up of the whole S&P 500 is about 0.04%, but I'll put the exact figure on the screen now. And if we look how this stock's been performing year to date, we can see that they're up by 55.67%, which is absolutely crazy, and this is only number 5 on this list. Moving swiftly on to number 4, we have Marathon Oil Corporation. This company specializes in oil and gas, and in particular, they look at exploration, production and development. And they too are a quarterly dividend paying stock, with a dividend yield currently at about 1.4%. They haven't really been increasing their dividends consistently, as you can see by the graph on the screen right now. Currently, this company costs $26.61 per share, and its weighting in the S&P 500 comes in at roughly 0.05%. If we look at this company's performance year to date, we can see that they too have been up by over 50%. In fact, they've been up by 57.74%. We've now made it to our top 3. And in third place, we have a company called Halliburton. This company is one of the largest providers of products and services to the oil and gas industry. And they too pay a quarterly dividend, with a dividend yield coming in currently at 1.2%. Halliburton have been paying dividends to their investors for quite a while, and it looks like they were gradually, incrementally increasing their dividends, with a big jump between 2012 and 2013, but it looks like they took a bit of a hit in 2020 as expected. One share of this company will cost $40.82, and its weighting in the S&P 500 is roughly 0.087%. When we look at the performance of this stock year to date, we can see that they are up by 59.89%. In at number 2, we have Mosaic Company. This company mines and processes phosphates and potash minerals into crop nutrients. Carrying on with the theme of this video, they too pay quarterly dividends, and the current dividend yield comes in at 0.6%. The dividend history for this company is a little bit all over the place. As you can see, they had a massive drop between 2016 and 2017, and they've slowly been increasing it since then. One share of this company will cost $76.70, and the weighting of this company in the S&P 500 is 0.06%. They have done extremely well with their performance year to date, and they are actually up by 88.78%. So if you invested in this company right at the start of this year, you would now be up by over 88%, which is absolutely insane. Now for the best of the best performing stock year to date that features in the S&P 500. And the company is Occidental Petroleum Corporation, ticker symbol OXY. They are one of the world's largest independent oil and gas exploration and production companies. They've paid quarterly dividends consistently since 1975. And they've increased their dividends from what I can find every single year since 2002, apart from a blip in 2020 for obvious reasons. The dividend yield was actually really difficult to find for this company, but on a website called Dividend Max, it was quoted as 0.4%. The price per share at time of filming this video was $59.34, and the weighting of this company in the S&P 500 is 0.14%. And at time of filming this video, they are up by 91% year to date, which is absolutely incredible. That's nearly 100% more than they were at the beginning of the year. I don't know about you, but before making this video, I wasn't really aware of any of these companies. And I think that's because they are such a small percentage of the S&P 500. But if you didn't guess it, there are two themes actually to this video. One was that these are all quarterly paying dividend stocks. And two, The majority of these, 4 out of 5 I believe, are in the oil and gas sector, which is not surprising at all. Given what's happening in the world, I'm not surprised that the best performing stocks are actually coming from that sector right now. I'm actually going to be making a similar video, but looking at the worst performing stocks in the S&P 500. That's coming very soon. And actually, some of the companies in that list are very, very well-known, massive companies. So watch out for that one coming soon. And in the meantime, if you want to see which companies I've picked to invest in as part of my dividend portfolio, click here.